Penny with SwissWatchExpo. Today I'm looking at this great looking 36mm Rolex Turnograph Datejust. I really like the Turnograph collection because to me it's such a fun vintage piece from Rolex, especially these ones. Turnographs make me feel very nostalgic, and the main feature of them is of course their rotating bezel. It rotates in two directions, so you can actually use the watch as a timer. But I just think this watch looks really great. It looks like a really nice looking and nice feeling vintage piece from Rolex. So I think if you are a fan of that style of watch from Rolex, a very vintage looking piece, you should definitely not overlook the Turnograph, because these are definitely becoming much more of a cult classic now that they are discontinued. This one has this beautiful tapestry pinstripe dial. It's not something that you see all of the time, and it's got some great, stick hour markers and some smaller printed on Roman numeral hour markers. Of course, it's got the date and more gold hands. I think this watch is just a great piece to have. I think it looks great on both men and women, and I think if you are a fan of vintage Rolex, you should definitely check out our entire vintage Rolex collection, especially our vintage Turnograph collection at SwissWatchExpo.com.